this. Sheikh, what is actually the best time to pray Salawatul Tahajjud? Salawatul Tahajjud are actually 8 rakat. That's the authentic sunnah of Rasulullah. And Aisha radiallahu ta'ala, she said that Rasulullah in the month of Ramadan or before Ramadan, he never exceeded, more than 11 rakat. In another version, in another hadith, she said 13 rakat. And she counted them. That 8 rakat for Taraweeh, 3 rakat of Witr, and 2 rakat of his Sunnah, which he normally used to pray. And if you take out the 2 rakat of Sunnah, then it becomes 11 rakat, 8 of Taraweeh and 3 of Witr. So this is what she is referring. So if you are praying 8 rakat of Tahajjud, and 8 rakat of Tahajjud means it is 8 rakat. And if you spend at least, 2 minutes or 3 minutes for each rakat, for each, unit, definitely you have to have at least 15 to 20 minutes for that prayer. 15 to 20 minutes for that prayer. And the best time is the time 1 hour before your Fajr timing. That's the best time, I will tell you. Why? Because Rasulullah ﷺ used to continuously pray his tahajjud till he would hear the adhan of Bilal radiallahu anh or Abdullah ibn Maktoum. And then when he would hear the adhan, he would shorten his 1 rakat with 1 rakat. All his prayers he would shorten with 1 rakat, and then he would give salam and get ready for the namaz. So based on the sunnah of Rasulullah, this is the best time. The second reason for this best time is that when you are praying your tahajjud at that particular time, you get the reward of the tahajjud. You get the reward of praying 2 rakats sunnah or fajr before fajr that has to be offered. So you will be able to easily be able to offer that. And then you will also be able to pray fajr in time, and you will be able to pray fajr in congregation. So all these are benefits. But if you are praying in any time in between that, or maybe just after Isha, or maybe in the midnight, and then you fall tired, or you feel like, you want to take rest, or you want to sleep. So if you overslept, then you will lose your Fajr maybe. If you are in the month of Ramadan, you might even lose your Suhoor. All these are disadvantages if you pray sometimes in the mid of the night. But it is permissible. But the best time, as you said, you have asked me. So this is my answer. The best time is just before 1 hour before Fajr, inshallah.